every time I film or put makeup. Hey sweeties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and I do self-love, body positive videos here on my channel as well as hauls. So today is Fashion Friday and we have a fashion haul for you guys here on my channel. If you guys love fashion hauls, then just keep on watching. So if you do like self-love and body positive and fashion hauls, then don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification bell button to be notified of all my future videos because you don't want to miss a thing. So today we are talking about Macy's, and that is what I have on today, and I am super excited to share with you guys that I am doing a collaboration with Macy's. So Macy's offered me to become a Macy's style crew member. What that means is that I have in the description but down below that I have a storefront page that shares all my favorite products. As you guys know that I am petite plus size, so I'll be scouting out majority of all the outfits that I can find in our size. Also, if you are not, my size, if you're not a shorty or anything like that, you can still shop my storefront page for bags, accessories. I have accessories on today and like makeup items because we don't want to forget that Macy's is also a really popular department store. Okay, so I want to share with you guys why Macy's is such a really big thing for me. I have been shopping Macy's since I was a teenager, since going into the malls. When we were able to go into the malls and shop. I know some areas we are not able to shop in store, and for those that are able to shop in store, I want to congratulate you guys on, and basically hopefully you guys are staying safe out there. You guys still wearing your masks and everything like that. Still stay safe. So sorry about my hair once again, but I just want to share with you guys this Tommy Hilfiger shirt. So what is super cool is that I am the type of person that I do want to shop designer. I do want to look good and feel good, and you know there's a certain style that like urban, like other places that I like, Fashion Nova and all that stuff, they have this like one type of style, and Macy's has a bit of a mature, but there also is, teenage, just more modest pieces, which my husband does really appreciate as well. He's not really into the whole crop top and all that for me, but like more modest pieces like this, he really does enjoy. Also, he states that like, can you wear, he's not embarrassed by me, but it's more of a, can you wear pieces that are more our age? Like, we do look young, young for our age. When I first started my YouTube channel, I was 21 and I looked like I was 16, and then it just kind of went on from there. I mean, I feel like I look my age and all that stuff, but I am in my 30s and I do want to look cute, but I also want to be a little bit more modest in my clothing. Just because I am getting older, I do want to dress like a mom. As you guys know, that I want to be a mom really bad. And if you want to follow my vlog, or me and my husband's vlog, we have a vlog channel down in the description box, and I will be sharing with you guys my TTC journey there on my channel, as well as the pets that I have, because of the fact that we do not have kids. So that's going to be really interesting to share with you guys. But so with that said, he really loves this Tommy Hilfiger shirt on me. It is definitely one of those shirts that I can wear in the summertime, but also wear in the fall, because it is a I think it's a 1/3 sleeve. It's not technically or is it a quarter sleeve? I don't know what the term is, but it does go past my elbow right here. If you are taller, it might just be here at the elbow. So depending on if you're taller or not, I do have small arms because I am a shorter gal. And then this actually does go past the belly area, and it has this design right here on the side. It has the Tommy Hilfiger embroidery right there, which is really nice. I really do love this lattice. I just, hopefully that when I do wash it, it doesn't come undone, because I've had that happen before to like a Walmart piece that I've had. And this is just a blushy, really nice color. So Michael Kors, surprisingly, Tommy Hilfiger, and a lot of other designers on Macy's, on the Macy's store, do cater to plus size. So that is a really good alternative. I know it could be a little bit more pricey, but for designer, I feel included into their design, and I am going to be reviewing them for you guys, because I feel like, you know, designers are really nice pieces, especially if you do have a little bit more extra cash to spend. Definitely, you know, getting nicer pieces, better quality, is really good. So I will be purchasing a lot more Tommy Hilfiger in the future. I put on the jeans that I'm going to be talking about. So it is really good to see designer pieces in Macy's that I would love to shop, and they do have those pieces there. So it is amazing that they do have that option, and they do pertain to petite plus sizing. Now when you look at petite plus or plus petite, whichever one it is, you mainly find jeans and pants, because that's where you know, the struggle is. It's not big enough and it's too long if we get, you know, regular plus sizing. However, since they do have that tab in Macy's, that it is easier to find pants, and I found these pants. It's by Celebrity Pink, that is the brand, and it is called the Rider, and it is amazing. So they have this pants in 18 women's petite, and I believe they have it also for 20 women's petite, and I want to say 22, but I'm not too sure. I will definitely link in the description box what size they go up to. But girl or guys, shorties, this is such an awesome jean. Let me just show you. Okay, so this is what the jeans look like. They are a dark wash. They do go up past my belly button right here, and this is a mid-rise for me. So I am 4'11", so unfortunately, you know, some items I'm not gonna get the same size. Like, it's gonna fit somebody who's taller than me a lot different. It might be a true mid-rise, but for me, this fits perfectly. So this is right above my belly button right here, which has all this covered. They do have some distressing here, like just like kind of like an acid wash, or like just a design here, which I really love. Now I cuffed them at the bottom because I do have a little bit of slack at the bottom, but these are true petite sizing because of the fact that if you did not watch my other video on the shorts that I got from Pretty Little Things, those are more towards like a different type of body type, because the legs here are just at where they need to be, and the waist part is where it needs to be. It just fits a whole lot better, and my booty looks good in it There's no like slack or hangage there. It's like perfect sizing here. They have functioning pockets all around, so functioning pockets here and here. It is just amazing, and it's a cute little outfit. I went to IHOP with the hubby for a breakfast brunch, and I got complimented on this look. I took my accessory purse, and I was complimented by the waitress, and I felt super confident in my skin with all the right pieces. And my husband was definitely a yay for this. However, unfortunately for him, this means that if he wants me to dress more like this, that it's gonna cost him a little bit more. But I do feel really good and comfortable in my skin. I do feel like I am dressing my age. That's something that I didn't stress about here on my channel, that yes, I feel that some pieces are good for any age, and like, you know, accessories and stuff. If that makes you feel confident and that's what you want to wear, then go ahead and do it. Nobody's judging you here. And so for me, I feel that I can do a little bit better with like being a little bit more modest, due to the fact that I am in my 30s and I'm not in my 20s anymore, and I kind of need to grow up in my head. So I am going to be styling more Michael Kors pieces and a lot of Tommy Hilfiger stuff. So definitely stick around if you are looking for that modest but yet fun functional pieces. I definitely still stand by like wear whatever you want. You know, you guys know I have my Aaliyah shirt, but that still shows my age because Aaliyah back then, you know, she was queen and everything like that. So I definitely am taking a little bit of stepping back, but I'm also going forward in my self-love journey. For joining me on this journey, and thank you for supporting. It's so hot. Thank you for joining this journey and joining my tribe, and I hope you guys are so interested. I mean, I hope that you guys are doing well. I know my videos are being put out later and later. I just need to be on a schedule because your girl is going back to work, and I have to be on a schedule because this is also something that I love to share and love to do. So don't forget, I have Monday's video coming for you guys at a Motivational Monday. You guys will see how I will be incorporating all that I told you guys last Monday. If you didn't see that video, please click up in the iCards, and I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, stay super sweet.
Every
Bye.
time I film or put makeup, he's just right next to my foot, and he's sleeping. Are you sleeping? And then the two girls are over there. Sorry for the mess.